Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to do the giveaway of the $50. There's only one winner. We are going to do that really quickly in this video, and I'm going to be of course super transparent of this giveaway. So let's go into that. Guys, if you want me to do more giveaways like this one, or even for more money, you need then to use my referral link on the airdrop videos that I use. So when I post an airdrop, then you will have the link with my referral link. So if you do that, instead of using the regular link, then when I get the airdrop, I'm going to designate a percentage of that airdrop to a giveaway for you. So these $50 are a percentage of the giveaway that I get for SafePol airdrop. It wasn't too much, so it's only a $50 the airdrop here. But if I get some big airdrop on a video that using the referral link you help me to boost my reward, then I'm going to have of course more money to do on these giveaways. So consider that at the time when you do the different airdrop videos, and also of course you support the channel. The winner needs to send me the wallet address of Optimism network. So remember, if you are the winner of this giveaway, it's Optimism, where I will send you the 50 USDT. And this is what I'm going to do. I will use this web page to get a random number between 1 and 5. These are the 5 videos of today, so from Monday to Friday. So if you put a comment in each of these videos, you are participating. And of course, you need to be subscribed to the channel and to my Twitter at CryptoState. So I'm going to check that before giving the money. So the number for each of these days is from 1 to 5. So these are the 5 videos that are participating. And after I get that, this number will be the video that I will look for the comment. I'm going to use comment picker in YouTube to know what comment is the winner. So let's go and do that. This works really easy. I'm just going to refresh the page so you know that this is legit. So you select here one random number between 1 and 5. You can change the numbers here if you want, and you just click start, and you really cannot see the number, so I cannot really decide it. So when I click stop, it will have the random number, right? So let's go and do it, and this time it will count. So I click on start here, and the number it will be the number 4. So that means that the number 4 is on the Optimism video. This is a video that many of you enjoyed, the updates on the Optimism airdrop, and I received a lot of comments in this video, so probably there are more people here participating, but well, this was 100% random. So video number 4, Optimism. And now I'm going to go here to the comment picker. Let's go and check the video of Optimism. So this is the video of Optimism. There was 249 comments, but there was some duplicate comments. Of course, I'm not going to count duplicate comments, but let's take the URL from here. So I copy the URL of this video, then I go to the comment picker. Again, I will just refresh so you see this is live on the video. Closing this. So I put here the URL, and then I will filter here for duplicate users. I will include replies to comments no, so we are going to use only one original comment, and we are not going to select anything else. So this is all. I need to put the 7 here, and I will click on get YouTube comments. So there are 100 unique comments. So you can see here from the 249 comments are actually here only 100 original comments. So now I'm going to do the raffle here. So click on start and pick the winner. Kenneth Crypto, this is the winner for the comment. And this was about the Syntax Optimism quest. It's almost impossible to complete anymore. And yeah, I really hate that. I was lucky and I already have these NFTs in at least 2 of my wallets, But yeah, they changed it, the amount of SNX, and right now 10,000 SNX is like 15,000 are around $15,000, so that is really bad. So Kenneth Crypto, I'm going to comment you there, so you send me your wallet of Optimism and I will send you the $50. Please don't try to spam that, because I'm going to check that the user is actually the YouTube user that corresponds. So if you try to create a YouTube account with Kenneth Crypto, I'm going to see that you are not the real one. Already happened that to me in previous giveaways that I did. So congratulations, Kenneth, this is $50 only. It could be something nice to you, or it could be a really low amount, I don't know. But anyways, this is because it's a percentage of what I receive. So please use my referral link and I will comment you, Kenneth, so we contact and you give me your address. And that's it all, guys. So congratulations to Kenneth, and if you want more giveaways, remember that you need to use my referral link. And thank you all, guys, for supporting me, my channel. I am really happy, and like I mentioned before, I'm working on a app that I'm planning to launch at the end of December. So I am working hard. I pretty much sleep 3 hours per day on the last month. I am really working hard on that, and we are going to do a Discord channel also. I need to have more help for my channel. I am talking to another people, but I don't really have money to hire people right now. So you know, I really don't make money for the YouTube channel, but I really love to do this because I know that you guys are going to have a lot of money from the airdrops that we are doing. I know that we didn't collect too many right now, but stay patient, stay doing the airdrops. It's going to start to be a snowball at some point. You are going to be collecting almost airdrops that you are doing right now. So you need to be patient, but stay with me in the channel. Always try to like the button of my videos. If it's your first time, subscribe to the channel. I do daily airdrops. And remember, guys, you can go to cryptocurrencystate.net, and there you have my videos. You have the videos and the step-by-step of everything that you need to do for that video, with the links and everything explained there, so you can see the video and do the steps. And my application, guys, is going to make this very easy. It's going to help you to use multiple wallets if you want, and do the airdrops in the different wallets, and keep on track on that, because the difficulty here, and I will put the link of the airdrop organizer too, is that we are already passing the 30 airdrops that we did, and at some point it's really difficult to do and manage that. The airdrop organizer helps, but actually the app, it will help you to apply to the different airdrops and get organized that. So I think it's going to be really cool. So I am still working on that, but I will try to launch it by the end of December. So for the new year, we probably are going to have the app. You basically are going to have a user account, and you are going to be able to have a particular and sign up account on my website, and you are going to have a specific section for you with your information for your airdrop. And of course, you are not going to need to connect your wallet or anything like that. I don't want to put your wallets in risk. It's going to be just an administrative tool, a web app that will help you to apply to everything here. But your funds are going to stay in your wallet. I don't want to know anything about that. I'm just going to do the tool for help you guys. So that is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next airdrop. Bye.